Hi guys, I am Vijaya Dash and this is my first video in YouTube. The reason I have started this channel is that I have so many things to share with you guys, so many experiences, so many stories, and there are a bunch of interesting things going on in my life right now which I want you guys to be a part of it. Before I continue with my chattering and I'm non-stop babbling and I make weird expressions and all that stuff, let me give you guys a quick brief about myself. Well, I come from a very crazy middle class family in Kolkata, India. I have completed my schooling in 2008. I have completed my bachelor's in animation and multimedia back in 2011 from MSU. Then I've worked in a very good design company in Kolkata for about like 9 months as a visualizer, and then I left it completely. The main reason which pumped me up to start my own channel and do my own videos is that I want to share my stories with girls and guys like you out there who are aspiring to be a designer, who are aspiring to take design as a profession, or for instance any other creative profession as their job. How it feels like to be a part of this design industry and design community in Kolkata, not only in Kolkata but also in India. First of all, let me be very honest with you guys. Design is a very underpaid profession in Kolkata, pan India. The reason which I felt is that it's it's in the mindset. It's in the mindset of society. It is true, and the problem lies in the grassroots. I mean, from our very childhood, we were nourished to see all these lucrative jobs like engineering and medical and IT. I mean, all of my cousins are into engineering and IT and government, all those jobs, and I'm the only person in my entire family and extended family who chose a creative stream. So it's all about the mindset, how society is projecting you. Reason is the society is not familiar with the concept of designing, design as a profession. Why is this? Because we ourselves haven't let society to know what exactly we are doing. I have seen most of the students who are doing a very good job in 3D, or say 3D animation or 2D animation or user interface design and stuff like that. Their parents don't exactly really know what their child are doing. I mean, why so? I'm telling you guys, all the young guys and girls out there, I know you're awesome, but what I'm telling you to do, I know you have a good skill set, I know you have a good visualization power, and you're good at drawing and everything, good at your stuff. What you have to do is spread the awareness that you really exist in this community as a designer. What you have to do is that starting from your own house, sit with your parents, talk to them over a cup of tea or over a cup of coffee. Just talk to your mother that, ma, I design user interface, so you want to know what UI design is, or you want to know what logo design is. I want to take up 3D animation as my career, and what good it can do for me. Just talk to her, talk to your mom, your dad, and your relatives, your friends, best friends, relatives, all out there. Just talk to them, spread the awareness that you exist and how valuable you are, how much contribution you are making to the society. You have to do it, otherwise they're not gonna understand what a designer is. I'm pretty sure they will understand you guys if you take that effort to let them know what exactly you do. It's true, the mindset of the society, it's not gonna change overnight. It will take a huge amount of time, maybe a month or a year or 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, I don't know. But what we can do is that at least we can try, at least we can try to create a better community for the upcoming designers, for the future designers of a generation, and just let them feel respected and feel proud about themselves. So what we have to do, first of all, is target your goal, what you want to be. I mean, you want to be a 2D animator, you want to be a UI designer, logo designer, whatever you want. Just target that goal and then focus in your skill, polish it, update it, do what you want, practice it harder and harder. And the second most important thing is that spread the awareness that you exist. Designer as a species exist in our community. Please guys, we exist, hum hai yahan pe. So yeah, I hope this video will help a lot of young guys and girls out there. And if you like my video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll share all my social media links in the description box down below. I'll be talking about some stories from my life, stories about designing, and how I started my own startup. That's a different story. I will share that into a different video. Or follow me in Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I just want to hear about you guys, the stories of yourself. I mean, if you're planning to take creativity, or any creative profession as a job, how you're overcoming the obstacles. Is there any hindrances in your life? How you're dealing with it? Just share with me. I'm sure it will inspire me a lot, and all other people out there who are planning to do the same. So, yeah, good luck with your future. And if you like Dumbo, I have named him Dumbo. If you like Dumbo, make sure to give a thumbs up. Bye. The reason, because the society is not accustomed. So yeah, start from your own house and gradually we will build up. Yeah. Team designer.